Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to do Boomerang on Snapchat on iPhone. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Snapchat application in your mobile device. Once you're here, go ahead and record some of your videos or whatever your subject you want it to be. In here, tap on this icon. Then, you are now going to rearrange, or depending on you, change the length of the video. And choose which section you want to use. Go ahead, take your time. I'll be here waiting. Once done, just tap on Send To. As you can see, it is now on Boomerang mode on Snapchat. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.